In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the remote management service on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down. Underneath Sharing, go ahead and select that. And then underneath Advanced, there might be something that says Remote Management. If you want to disable that, just click inside the oval one time and turn that off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.